guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis and today I am gonna try the Popeyes sandwich. I just got here and I went to the drive-thru and the line was so damn long, so I'm walking in. Oh my god, the line's so long too. Yep. This is the line for the Popeyes just to get the sandwich, so the drive-thru is even worse, so I guess we'll see how it goes. We are still in line. The line is hella long. Oh my god. Hey, mamas. Hi. Four spicy chicken sandwiches.
Just a sandwich?
Yeah. And then can we have one with no pickles?
Those are a longer wait.
One for no pickles?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. We'll just take it out.
And then one with no... Yeah. Anything else?
That's all.
1956. And you go ahead and your card whenever you're ready.
Thank you. We waited in line for almost 1 hour. No, maybe like 45 minutes. So we're still waiting for a sandwich. But we just ordered 4 spicy chicken sandwich and a soda, and the total was $19.56. We're still waiting. The line is still so damn long. The drive-thru line is, I don't think you can see, but it's back there, all the way back there. And Popeyes is right there. The line's forever. Are you excited, babe?
Yes.
Me too. Alright, Dad. Finally got it. How long do we wait for? Like an hour?
Mm-hmm.
We did 1 hour plus. And I ordered 4 spicy chicken sandwiches and a Coke. I hope, make sure you take the pick off. Okay?
Yeah.
This, you want hot sauce?
Sure.
2 or 3?
Just one.
Okay. Come on, Mama. You can be in my video with me. You can be in my video with me. Say hi to Ava. Where's your toy? This better be good. Like, that's okay. This better be like, oh no, I think it's spicy or regular. I'll have to go back in, but you're still here. I think it's spicy. No, it looks spicy. Okay. Oh my god. This shit's huge. Dude, the chicken's thick. Oh, we didn't get no napkins.
Wow.
I'm about to be hella dirty. Shit. Alright. Babe, if this is not good, I'm gonna be hella mad. Because we waited hella long for this. How is it? He doesn't want to be in my video. He's shy. But look, guys, that's how thick it is.
It's not spicy. Or is it? No, I don't think it is.
I don't taste spicy. And this is regular mayo. No, but it has a spicy thing on it. Maybe it's not a lot?
Wait, the chicken is supposed to be spicy, right?
No, the sauce.
Oh, just the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
I think it's the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna take another bite. Oh, shoot. This is my first car mukbang. Well, how do you feel about it? I think it's good because the meat's like hella thick and juicy, but I wouldn't have waited a whole damn hour and a half for this. You?
No.
Yeah, this
Cool.
it's good, but I wouldn't wait no damn hour and a half for it. But I'm gonna try the hot sauce. Can I have one too? No, thank you.
You don't have anything in your car anymore?
Oh, I do. Napkins from McDonald's. Yeah, it's good. I like it, but I prefer to get like just their chicken, their actual chicken. What about you? They're cheap
It's
though.
good.
It's only $3.99. But the
It's good, but it's not.
It's just the wait that was hella dramatic, and like everyone was making it seem.
Yeah, for that long ass wait, it was. It's good if I didn't have to wait for like. I mean, it's good, but it's not. I'm not gonna wait another hour again. So like,
Oh my God.
never again.
Everyone was making it seem like it was a must try because the whole Chick-fil-A Popeyes battle. I've never had a Chick-fil-A sandwich though, so I don't know how that tastes. I'll probably try it whenever I go to Stockton. That's the only place to have Chick-fil-A, or the Bay Area. I like the sandwich better with hot sauce. It's not as good without hot sauce. I didn't need hot sauce. I'm not spicy at all.
I thought
The chicken?
the chicken was spicy. It was supposed to be spicy.
I guess that's what I thought too, but they said it was just the sauce that was spicy. Because the regular one has just mayonnaise, and then this one has like
The
a spicy mayo like sauce they put. So.
Let's see. I like the bread.
They're sweet and soft. I like the chicken. It's hella thick. I love chicken too. I wish it was a little bit more crispier.
Yeah.
Ew. I was gonna wait to do this at my mom's house with my brothers because I got them one too, but I'm dropping everything in my car. God.
I'm back.
But I can't wait. Where's your pickles? I want it, please.
No.
I want them. You know, and eat them. I don't like soda, but Popeyes has like the best soda.
You're hecka like weird.
Why?
They had that sauce on it.
I don't care. I still want it.
You're nasty. You're nasty.
He hates pickles. Do you guys like pickles? I love pickles.
Blech. 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 Get that away from me.
They're hella big too.
Ugh. Just the smell of it.
Uh-oh. Got my baby. I wish you guys could see how she's laying on me. It's so fresh. I got Lion King, so hopefully it's good. I haven't watched it yet though. The line is still so long. We're gonna go to the drive-thru, but we went inside. Inside is way faster though. It's still long, but faster. You finished it hella fast.
Yeah. I think I was kind of hungry.
Really? I'm not even hungry. I just wanted to try it when it's fresh.
I just had the munchies. I don't know what it was. I don't know, but that soda's hella good.
No, I don't drink soda. Not bomb.
Excuse me. Excuse me. No, 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 no.
This was on the news that it was coming out October 3rd. I mean November 3rd. Today's November 3rd, Sunday.
11:30. It's only been out for an hour and a half.
What We got here at 10:10. But we were gonna come earlier. But we're like, no, it's not gonna be that packed. Like, no one knows about. Yeah, no. We should have came like at 7 and just parked. I only like it with hot sauce.
Yeah, without the hot sauce, it's just
not
like
good
it's
without
like
the hot
plain.
sauce. Yeah, it's just like a regular, just.
Yeah, you don't really get no spicy from this.
Yeah.
It's not too.
I like this with hot sauce, but if it's not with hot sauce, I prefer. My favorite chicken sandwich is McDonald's McChicken. It's my favorite. And it's like $1.50. Is there more hot sauce?
Huh? Yeah, it should be.
My grandma made a soup too. Rice. So much food. You want me to drive? Or do you want to drive?
I'll drive.
Are you sure?
Huh?
Are you sure?
Positive.
I wonder if Darius got his food.
I don't know. He better have, because he was there for the whole time. I seen him sitting down, and then I never looked again to see if
He was like, damn, this line hella long. His mom was like, shit, I'm not trying to wait for this shit. And then Darius like, come on, Ma, got to. We're already here. We better wait. She's like, well, then you gotta stay in line, because I ain't stay in line. I'm going to my car. And he's like, all right, give me some money then. And she's like, here, you don't ever know how to pay for shit.
Damn, I hella missed that.
And then,
I mean, hella what?
I don't know what's it called. He's like, because he saw me recording. He's like, what are you recording for? I was like, oh, YouTube. And he's like, oh, well, then I hope there's a fight in here so you can get that on camera. I was like, oh, me too. I wish someone starts fighting.
That'd be hella epic.
I wonder when people eat this, like, is their expectation, like, met? Like, do they feel like, oh, it was so worth it? Or do they feel like hella disappointed? Because I feel like it's not that good to me. It's good, but it's not that good. Like, I would never crave this and come back to get another one. Like, I'm like, oh, I need it now.
No. But it's a good chicken sandwich.
And they can just give me the chicken and... I don't know, it's alright. Not bad, but... I got B-Love sauce, guys. So we're going to be doing a seafood boil pretty soon. So be on the lookout for my seafood boil. I have one more bite. My last bite. What would you rate that sandwich? I give it a 6.
I give it like an 8.
Alright.
Just because I don't, I mean, what's a better chicken sandwich?
Well, I give it like a 7 then. 6 is pretty low. I give it a 7. It was good, but it wasn't good.
And I only got it would have got a 10 if we would have got it in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's all. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And let me know if you guys had tried this sandwich, and if you tried it, let me know if you thought it was worth it. Bye.